Good morning. How much are these carrots?
Good morning. The carrots are $2 per kilogram.
That seems a bit high. Can you give them to me for $1.50 per kilogram?
I'm afraid $1.50 is too low. How about $1.80 per kilogram?
$1.80 is still a bit more than I was hoping to pay. How about $1.60, and I'll take 2 kilograms.
Well, since you're buying 2 kilograms, I can agree to $1.70 per kilogram.
All right, $1.70 sounds fair. I'll take the 2 kilograms, then.
Great. Anything else you'd like to buy? We have fresh tomatoes and cucumbers today.
The tomatoes look good. How much for a kilogram?
They're $3 per kilogram.
Can you give them to me for $2.50 per kilogram?
$2.50 is a bit low, but I can give them to you for $2.70 if you buy a kilogram.
Deal. I'll take 1 kilogram of tomatoes as well.
Wonderful. So that's 2 kilograms of carrots and 1 kilogram of tomatoes. Your total is $7.10.
Here's $10. Do you have change?
Yes, here's your change. Thank you for your purchase.
Thank you. I'll be back next week. Have a good day.
You too. Take care and see you next time.
Hey, could you tone it down a notch? Someone's trying to sleep.
Oh, sorry about that. I didn't realize I was being so loud.
No worries, but the walls here are pretty thin.
Yeah, I guess I got a bit carried away with the music.
It's cool, just maybe use headphones or keep the volume low.
Good idea. I'll grab my headphones now.
Thanks, I appreciate it. How late are you staying up?
Probably just another hour or so. I have some work to finish.
Gotcha. Just trying to make sure everyone can get some rest.
Totally understand. I'll keep it down from now on.
You're the best, thanks. What are you working on anyway?
Just a project for school. It's due tomorrow, so I'm in crunch mode.
That sounds stressful. Hopefully, you can get some sleep after.
I'm hoping to. I'll crash as soon as I'm done.
Good plan. If you need anything, let me know.
Have you been crying?
What? No, I'm fine. Just tired, that's all.
I can tell something's wrong. You don't have to pretend with me.
Seriously, I'm okay. It's just been a long day.
You're not fooling anyone. I know when something's bothering you.
I appreciate your concern, but really, it's nothing.
You don't have to act like everything's fine when it's not. I'm here for you.
I just don't want to burden anyone with my problems.
You're not a burden. You're my friend, and I care about you.
It's just, everything feels overwhelming right now. I don't even know where to start.
You don't have to go through this alone. I'm here to listen, whenever you're ready.
I just feel like I'm failing at everything, and I don't know how to fix it.
It's okay to feel that way, but you don't have to hide it. We can figure it out together.
I don't want to drag you down with my issues.
You're not dragging me down. Friends help each other through tough times.
I guess I've just been trying to keep it together for so long, it's hard to let anyone in.
You don't have to be strong all the time. It's okay to let someone else help you.
Thanks, I really needed to hear that.
Anytime. Let's take things one step at a time, and we'll get through this.
You're right. I shouldn't try to handle everything on my own.
Exactly. We all need support sometimes. You're not alone in this.
Hello, may I speak to Mr. Johnson, please?
I'm sorry, Mr. Johnson isn't available at the moment.
Oh, I see. Do you know when he'll be back?
He should be back in about an hour. Would you like to leave a message?
Yes, please. Could you tell him that Laura called regarding the meeting tomorrow?
Of course. I'll make sure to pass the message along.
Thank you. Can you also ask him to call me back when he's available?
Certainly. I'll let him know to return your call as soon as he's back.
That would be great. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, that's all for now. Thanks again.
My pleasure. I'll make sure Mr. Johnson gets your message.
I appreciate it. Have a good day.
Why are you being so distant lately?
I'm not being distant. I've just been busy with work.
It feels like you're ignoring me. You hardly text or call anymore.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to make you feel that way.
It's not just about texting. It's like you don't care about us anymore.
That's not true at all. I care about you a lot.
Then why don't you show it? I feel like I'm the only one trying.
I've been stressed out with everything, and I guess I've been neglecting our relationship.
I understand you're stressed, but I still need to feel like I matter to you.
You do matter to me. I'm really sorry if I made you feel otherwise.
Apologies are fine, but I need more than that. I need you to be present.
You're right. I'll do better. I don't want to lose you.
I don't want to lose you either, but things have to change.
They will, I promise. I'll make more time for us.
I hope so. I really do.
I mean it. I'll start showing you how much you mean to me.
That's all I ask for. I just want us to be close again.
I love you, and I'll make sure you know it every day. Please subscribe and see you soon.